Labour Party and its candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, on Wednesday presented a cyber security expert, Dr. Chibuike Ugwoke, who confronted the Independent National Electoral Commission, Inec, with sensitive documents relating to the Inec results viewing portal IREV and other online information relating to the February 25 presidential election. Besides, the court further admitted in evidence a bundle of exhibits containing the total number of permanent voters cards (PVCs) that were collected in 32 states of the Federation before the 2023 general elections, in addition to a bundle of documents that contained the total number of registered votes in the state. The exhibits were brought before the court by the petitioners, who alleged that the presidential election that held on February 25 was rigged in favor of Tinubu of the ruling All Progressives Congress (APC). A senior counsel in Obi's legal team, Peter Afuba SAN, who conducted the tendering of the documents, told the court that they were duly certified by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). But INEC, through its lawyer Mr. Kemi Pinheiro, SAN vehemently opposed to the admissibility of the exhibit in evidence. A similar position was taken by Tinubu and the APC, who equally challenged the admission of the exhibits in advance. All the respondents said they would adduce reasons behind their objections in their final written address. Regardless, the court admitted in evidence documents in the total number of PVCs from the 32 states and marked them as exhibits PCN1 to PCN32. Also admitted in evidence was a certified true copy of a certificate of compliance with on exhibits the petitioners earlier tendered in respect of Edo State. Other electoral documents the court entered in evidence after they were tendered by the petitioners were certified copy of supplementary IRF reports for 3 local government areas of Benue State, 2 local government areas of Cross River State, 12 local government area of Lagos State, as well as one of Lagos State or local governments in Gombe State. In his evidence in chief, Dr. Chibuike Ugwoke, who appeared as the 8th witness, told the court he is a cyber security expert. Led Mr. Patrick Ikwetu SAN, the subpoena witness, told the court that the press release dated 11 November 2022, which was signed by INEC's National Commissioner Mr. Festus Okoye, was titled "Alleged Plot to Abandon Transmission of Polling Unit Results to IRF Portal." Ikwetu SAN told the court that the witness had, in the paragraph 26 of his statement on oath, referred to sources materials that were published or used by INEC from 2018 to 2023 with their specific uniform resource identifiers attached. Equally tendered a report on what he termed as metadata. All the respondents said they were opposed to the evidence of the witness and would give their reasons at a later stage of the case. As part of their objections, counsel to the respondents told the court that they were served with a statement of the witness containing 8 pages shortly before the proceedings commenced on Wednesday. Consequently, they urged the court to defer its cross-examination till Thursday to enable them to study his statement on oath, which was admitted in evidence by the panel. After the court gave the witness the nod to vacate the box and return on Thursday, the petitioners called their ninth witness, Mr. Onoja Sunday, who was led in evidence by Mr. Ikechukwu Ezechukwu SAN, another member of Obi's legal team, told the court that he is a staff of Women and Child Rescue Initiative, a non-governmental organization. He tendered both his statement on the oath and his office identity card, which were both admitted in evidence. Under cross-examination by counsel to INEC, Abubakar Muhammad SAN, the witness to the court that from his observation, voting and counting went well on the day of the presidential election held, as if his party won election in the polling unit where he observed. The witness said, I do not work for any party, neither do I have any candidates. Answering further questions from INEC's counsel, the witness said, I did not work with beavers in the polling units, and from my observation, the officials went away to the World Collation Center with the Form EC8A polling unit result that was signed by both the INEC official and party agents. He, however, told counsel to President Tinubu, Mr. Emmanuel Okala, SAN, that the subpoena upon which he appeared before the court was not addressed to his organization but to him personally, using his village address. Sunday further told the court that after votes from the polling unit was counted, INEC officials failed to upload the results to the IRF portal as required by the law. In its part, the APC thought through its lead counsel, Prince Latif Fagbemi SAN, said it had no question for the witness. In his own testimony, another witness, Mr. Kefas, who identified himself as a civil servant, said he was subpoenaed to appear to give evidence before the court. After a copy of the subpoena was tendered without objection from all the respondents, the witness told the court that he served as an ad hoc staff of INEC. He told the court that he supervised about 24 units in his ward at a Madagali local government area in Adamawa State alongside one Suleiman Mustafa. He stated that apart from a fracas that ensued between APC and PDP agents, there was no other issue except that of failure to transmit the election results. He said, I did a good job and scores of the election were properly imputed in forms EC8As and the results were equally properly announced. As a supervisor, it was not my duty to handle the beavers machines, he added. While being cross-examined by Tinubu's lawyer, the witness said he was not in court to testify on behalf of the INEC. Further hearing on the petition has been adjourned again. Okay. Okay, the way INEC lawyers are even objecting to their own CTC, that is certified true copy document. Don't even be surprised if they deny Mahmoud Yakubu in their chairman as their chairman, and that's exactly the way it's going to be. All Mr. Peter B witness are people of Igbo extraction. So Fagbemi SAN is what? So because of that, because they are Igbos now, they should not say they don't have the rights, really. They always say whatever is being presented before the judge, that's what they use in judging. So tribe is not an issue for you. Are they saying the truth or they are just lying? You are wrong, sir. Someone from Adamawa witness for Labour Party. And so what if they are Igbos? These witnesses have not said anything. They did not say that false results were entered into the relevant forms. All they are saying is that the results were not transmitted electronically, which is not mandatory by law. It is mandatory according to 2022 Electoral Act as amended. We see you the right, you are really supporting Tinubu because it's your tribesman. Don't mind, I say all the people where they support will be Igbos. You where they support Tinubu, you be Igbo. You know be Yoruba. Okay, transmission is not compulsory under our Electoral Act. Why are you deceiving yourselves? INEC can speak their word. Stop displaying your ignorance in public. Start by summing up the results in IRF and confirm for yourself. What they are saying is that they did not upload the results which you are supposed to upload, but by the time they signed the form that they were supposed to sign, the question is that the form they signed and what INEC announced at the collation center, are they the same? Why is it that their own results, their own documents, they are rejecting it to be tendered at the so-called tribunal? These people are just something else. So guys, let's say your opinion and have a take on this.